Hello everyone, welcome to this very special edition of Prompt with Pal. This one's closest to my heart because today we are joined by our 4 brilliant interns who have been hands-on on building a solution called DocuPilot. It's an AI-powered document processing solution, and these interns rolled up their sleeves and built something real. They have spent the last few weeks building DocuPilot, a solution that is completely reimagines how loan processing can be done. Not with the old school forms or rigid rules, but with smart, flexible, agent-based AI that thinks, explains, and supports the human behind the work. It's not just about automation, it's about freeing up the loan officer to do what they do best while the system handles the heavy lifting. So if you're a student wondering, can I really build something impactful with AI? Stick around because these interns just did it. So with that, I would like to now invite Siddhant, who is joining virtually. Hi Siddhant, thank you for joining.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Thank you. Hey Priyanka, wonderful to have you all. Hey Diksha and Sanchita, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So to get started, I think you all had a wonderful time here. First, I would like to understand when you all started off with this project. What are the pain points that you understood? And what are those personas that you identified? Okay, these are the personas that I should be targeting to make things better for them in their flow of work.
Yeah. So firstly, what we started off by doing, we took a solid 2 weeks to, kind of understand what exactly happens in a loan process and all the people that go behind the loan process. So yeah, we did speak to a couple of industrial specialists. We called up banks and we were like, how does the process work? So from there we started with a various of personas like compliance manager, the loan officer himself, customer, and we were trying to figure out who would be, who do we want to ease?
Yes.
Firstly, so who do we want to automate? And yeah, loan officer was definitely one of them. Because their stack of paperwork, time they take, manual work was too much. So yeah, the persona we focused on was loan officer, and
That's
we have
awesome.
thought about DocuPilot for him mostly, and also we do have customer in the back to ease their life and kind of make their waiting time better and faster.
That's awesome. I really love the amount of the background work that has gone in to understand the persona and the pain points,
Yes.
because it's important to build something that is for the real world. So thank you so much. So with that, I would like to next ask Priyanka. So what was the vision that you all had while building a solution of this sort? And what is that experience that you wanted to give the persona that you all identified, which is loan officer?
Our vision for DocuPilot was to simplify and humanize the loan officer's workflow. We wanted to empower them, welcoming them with a clean, organized dashboard where AI has done most of the heavy lifting and they can focus on decision making and not document chasing.
That's right.
Yeah, we wanted them to feel empowered and emphasize their judgment making and not replace it with transparency and explainability at its core.
That's awesome. So with that, I would like to ask my next question to Siddhant. Siddhant, when you were thinking about multi-agent, and of course everybody would want to create a multi-agent scenario now, and when they want to build a solution, what is the design thinking that went behind identifying that, okay, for these are the tasks where I would want an agent and create a multi-agent orchestration there?
Okay, thank you. So in our design, we integrated 3 agents in our workflow. We realized that we needed an agent for verifying the documents. Verifying the documents is a very manual, tedious process, and we realized that if we made this process agentic, we could save a lot of time. We then made an agent to check the eligibility status of the applicant. Again, to go through this process, you need to go through a lot of manual checks, and we, by making this process agentic, we were able to save a lot of time of the loan officer.
Wonderful.
We also integrated a compliance agent, which goes through the latest rules and regulations and checks if the documents and the loan application is in compliance with the latest rules. Again, this saves a lot of time, and a lot of time that could be spent by the loan officer on other more important tasks.
That's awesome.
Thanks.
I just can't wait to see the demo in action, to see how each of these agents can play together. Before that, I would like to ask Sanchita on that one question, which can be an insight to all the students who are looking at how they can build their own agent, or start building a solution similar to the one that you guys have built together. What is that one thing that you would want students to understand?
I would say start small. Don't be afraid to experiment. You don't need to do everything to get started. You can start with a small piece and build from there. The best way to learn is by trying, improving, and experimenting. And don't be afraid to ask questions from the community, your peers, or your mentors. If you're curious and persistent, you can build something that you have never even imagined.
That's awesome. So I think we have a great insight from each one of you on from what is the vision to how do you identify the pain points and the personas that really you want to target when it comes to the banking BFSI world. Let's get to the demo part of it and see how it all works together and give a glimpse to the viewers as well on the solutions that you guys have built together. Yeah? Let's get to that.
Applicants start with a simple, intuitive interface. In just a few clicks, they upload their documents. No confusion, no technical hurdles. DocuPilot automatically tags and organizes each file so nothing gets lost or mislabeled. As soon as documents arrive, DocuPilot's AI springs into action. It instantly recognizes document types, whether it's an ID, an income statement, or a credit report. No more manual sorting, no more misfiling. Key information is extracted and validated in real time. Income account numbers, credit scores, every critical field is pulled out and checked for accuracy. If something is missing or looks off, DocuPilot flags it for your review with clear explanations. When you open up the loan officer dashboard, you're greeted by a clean, modern interface with a prominent header and intuitive navigation. At the top, you'll find tabs for Overview, Application Review, AI Tools, IntelliQuery, and Audit Trial. The Overview tab gives you a real-time snapshot of your loan pipeline. Here, you can instantly see key metrics like the number of applications in your queue, documents awaiting review, missing documents, approvals, AI-flagged items, and the total loan value. Below, you'll find a table of all recent loan applications, making it easy to track and manage your workload. Next, the Application Review tab is where you can filter and drill down into specific applications. You can filter by applicant, document type, or status, and quickly review document details, extracted information, and even add your own comments or updated statuses. This streamlines the review process and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. The AI Tools tab is where the real magic happens. Here, you'll see clickable cards for 3 powerful agents. Eligibility Assessment. Instantly analyze an applicant's document for eligibility and get a confidence score. Document Verification. Check documents for authenticity, compliance, and potential risks. Compliance Agent. Run compliance checks against regulatory and internal policies. Clicking any card brings up an interactive tool right below, so you can run advanced AI-powered checks without leaving the dashboard. IntelliQuery tab. IntelliQuery is your AI-powered assistant. You can ask questions about applicants, documents, or best practices and get an instant, context-aware answer. It's like having an expert by your side 24/7. Finally, the Audit Trial tab is our vision for the future. Here, you'll soon be able to generate comprehensive audit reports, track every action, and ensure full transparency and compliance, making regulatory reporting effortless.
So that was a wonderful demo. So thank you so much. It really brings in that depth and understanding that you could really crack it in just about few weeks. It's not just about understanding the technology. I really love the way in just few weeks you could bring an idea to reality with something working as this flawless as I could see it here. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed your time here at Microsoft. Looking forward to engage you in few other things that we can come up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
everyone. Thank you.